takes the plunge. 4 plus 4 equals 9. I have reached the limits. I always hate it. Whenever I hate it, and then I hate it, but I hate it. You know that makes sense? I don't want to just waste 1 coal for 2 pieces of meat. I mean, this is kind of wastage. Oh, number 1. Nice. It is wastage. Wastage. Although, I'm a jump in lava now. Saves me. I guess I'm not actually over it because I got it. No, I most probably am. Yeah, I actually might do it like right here. I mean, never mind. I mean, there is other people around, you know, that house is still intact. It might be a good place to actually start raiding. Yes, this is a raid server. It will not scold you. Like, oh, don't do this, don't do that. You're gonna get banned. Come on, cook already. God. Oh my God! Yeah, I was not scared at all. I mean, seriously, I was not scared. If you thought I was scared, then you're wrong. Because I never am scared. Never, never, ever in my life. And then the people play together and scream about it. I'm gonna take this because, you know, free wood. It's pretty ideal because they would expect you to go such a near place. However, they will scout, which sucks. And the amount of people in the server does make the lag. You may go like, oh, I see much more, but this server's not meant to hold that much. Meant to. Life will be like, it's not meant to. It just happens. It just happens. Oh God. Come on. I want to be 3 blocks high. Yeah, I want to be like around 3 blocks high. 3 blocks high. 3 blocks high. Yeah, it's ideal. This is what I really wanted in the first place in my whole life. I mean, seriously. I should most probably make portraits. Coincidentally, I have enough. Coincidentally. Well, I guess this would be first episode. Yeah, stuff. Yeah, you should check my options. Video settings, it is bright. So yeah guys, while I'm waiting, I would actually suggest what you guys want me to play next. I mean, I might not really play that game because I am a new starter, so not many that people will comment on me, but if you guys really do like what I do, please leave a like and blah blah blah, stuff. I mean, I don't really, at this point, you struggle for like subscribers. You know, you want some so you can get, you know, stuff. And once there's a lot of people, and you can just make the fan base from there, like. And then you can actually start asking. Usually, I mean, you can ask at the beginning. That's what people usually do. Not many people actually do reply, but only the kind-hearted ones do it. Some sometimes I just want to troll them and say, oh, you just put your mic closer to you, and then just do it, and then you'll be so much better. And it turns out that everybody believed it. Not really. Yeah, this is pretty ideal. I'm gonna make it 7 wide. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god, lag. Lag while you do this to me. Oh yeah, I also figured out something cool about this. If you right click, it'll say you ready a pickaxe. Click this. Blah 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 blah. Oh, iron. Coincidentally, it's right there. Nice job, Thomas. Oh, that's my real name. I'm gonna be calling myself Yawesome. That's my channel name. Yawesome. It was really like stuff. Please do not say that I copied anybody's idea. This was my idea to begin with. That's it. You guys see that. Yeah, I've been quiet sometime. Yeah, I guess this is a good enough space, I guess. Whoa. Oh, that was a secret. It's gonna break. Yeah. Oh my god. No, I don't want to do that. That's not right. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this until it breaks. What do you know? Pick it up, until you see nipple. Can I even make this deeper? It was as it was, so don't blame me like, oh! Oh god, yeah! Yeah, this is a pretty cool place actually to keep stuff. I'm gonna actually end it right here. After I cut this wood down, tree down. I was about to say cut the wood down. Cut the wood. Actually, that would still make sense. Cut the wood down. Cut the wood. Hey, there's an ant in my room. There's an ant in my room. It's crawling across my floor. I can see it. It's pretty weird. But who cares? Eventually I'll stop it. I usually say stuff and no, please don't tell me I lost it. Okay. Yeah, I hear some spiders. Oh, tell me it spawns straight away. There's a spider in my room. It's pretty creepy. No, it's not. It's never been begin with. Never gonna begin with. Never gonna begin with. Never gonna begin with. Never gonna begin. This is what I usually do. You guys may say, oh, this is a horrible idea. I'm French and I don't care about this. This sign is horrible. And that's not even French at all. That's not French. I'm not French. I am proud of myself. I like. You guys may think that I try to copy someone, but no. I just like rolling the R. I can't do it. I can't do it. It'll just be funny that I just run into. Yeah, just run to a guy. Although you guys most probably can hear it. If you can't hear it, then I'm sorry. I'll stop wearing headphones. Yeah. Oh, Usher Point. Yeah, should I cover the floor to make it fit? Ooh, Cole! Cole, my buddy, you never let me down. Cole, my buddy, you never let me down. Oh, my buddy, you never, ever, ever. I forgot what was the rest of the sentence. I am a guy, yeah. I am a guy, yeah. I'm a boy, and I like to be the one who shows you the world. Do 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 do, do 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 do. Wait, did it break? Don't tell me I left it in there. No. Let's continue. La 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 do da da do. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. That's pretty fun, but it does break through. It does break through quite quickly. Yeah, I feel pretty successful today. Gonna make a chest. Gonna make a chest. Chest. Lock it. Please place a sign headed private next to a chest to lock it. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, if you guys are wondering how to do this, if you want to know how much power you have, if you have max power in the server, if everybody in your faction or you have max power, no one is able to raid you. No one can overclaim you. You are practically indestructible. Yeah, indestructible. Well, I am gonna try getting some people to join my faction and stuff like that, so I can have more land. But right now, it's just gonna be me, the skeleton who's next to me, kind of annoying, but don't care. And I would like to see you guys soon. Bye! Wait, whoops, I forgot to... No!